When the engine is running, hot combustion gases escapes from the combustion chamber and collects at the sump, giving rise to the pressure inside the sump. It will also affect the pistons to and fro motion due to back pressure. If these gases are expelled out, the crankcase may explode since favorable conditions of temperature, fuel or lube oil vapor and oxygen from the scavenging air are likely to be created. To avoid this, it is very much essential to scavenge these gases to eliminate the effect of pressure. The adductor assembly is provided in HHP 4500 HP 2-stroke locomotives. The HHP locomotives creates booster air pressure from first notch, as the turbo clutch engages with the gears from first to fifth notch. After that, from sixth to eighth notch, the turbo functions with its own exhaust level by disengaging its clutch gear from the moving gear to increase its RPM, unlike the engine RPM. As the booster air pressure is created from first notch to eighth notch, the booster air pressure is itself used to exhaust the crankcase pressure. The adductor has three stages to exhaust the crankcase gas pressure. First suction stage has lube oil separator. The oil separator is an elbow-shaped cylindrical housing, containing a wire mesh screen element. It is mounted on turbocharger housing. An elbow assembly connects the separator to the ejector tube assembly in the exhaust stack. The adductor tube in the exhaust stack creates suction in the engine crankcase and draws up oil vapor from the engine crankcase. While doing so, the oil drawn will be collected on the wire mesh element and drained back to the engine sump. The suction inlet through a oil separator that takes in the crankcase exhaust from the engine sump with combined gas with oil and filters the oil with a mesh with it. The motive force to direct the sump gases to outlet exhaust stack is the booster air pressure of locomotive itself. This motive force of booster air pressure is taken from the turbo aftercooler outlet that connects air chambers of two-stroke HHP engine for combustion. The final stage is to exhaust the crankcase pressure gases through the exhaust thrust pipe connected with turbocharger exhaust chimney. The combined motive force with the adductor nozzle booster air pressure and the suction inlet through a oil separator creates a crankcase exhaust pressure that creates the vacuum of 2 to 8 inch of water, or 50 to 200 millimeters in engine sump. If there is zero vacuum and found no intake of atmosphere air inside the engine through sump, door, or CAM doors, then the adductor nozzle dia is changed between 6 mm to 12.5 mm. That lets booster air pressure to increase its smoothie V force and in turn increase the suction of crankcase gases. Checks if less cc vacuum. Top deck covers not closing properly. Defective sump covers. Defective top deck cover sealing. Clogged adductor. Clogged adductor, flexible hose or damaged adductor. Wrong choke provided in adductor. Worn out piston rings. Worn out felts in free end oil seal. Power assembly liner seal hardened. Exhaust valve guide broken. Piston cracked. Head seat ring damage. Checks on more cc vacuum. Wrong choke provided in adductor. Larger dia flexible pipe connected to adductor. Engine also shut down automatically. With low crankcase vacuum. Unlike all locomotive that has explosion door, here, in HHP locomotives, they use e-engine protection device. If the crankcase gases increase with engine or bearing problems, sudden higher increase in sump gases cannot be exhaust through ejection assembly. Hence, to safeguard the engine from major problem, the mechanical diaphragm activates the crankcase button to eject, that, in turn control, the governor lube oil inlet and governor low lube oil button trips the locomotive to shut down, mostly accompanied with a tripping of overspeed trip assembly.